The Your Universe channel just hit 1 million subscribers, and I'm here to say thank you. Thank you so very much. I am super excited and joyous over the fact that so many people want to expand their consciousness and level up and manifest intentionally. This has been such a fun journey for me. It's been several years in the making, and here we are. We just hit 1 million subscribers. How amazing is that? You guys are the best followers ever. I have the most amazing comments on my channel and just wonderful people who say amazing things. I get tons of emails that are also equally as nice. So thank you so very much for being such an awesome group of people. I couldn't be more thrilled to coach people who really, really want to expand their lives. And that's the most rewarding thing that I can say about this job. With that said, I was a coach prior to being an internet person. I didn't even know that YouTube was a thing that you could expand your coaching abilities on. I say that I accidentally fell into this YouTube thing, but I really don't believe there are any accidents. I was divinely guided and inspired to create this channel, and then it just kind of spiraled into a thing, which has been really fun to watch and participate in. So I love what I do. This is, I am right in my wheelhouse, and I have a ton of fun doing it. And with all of that said, because I was a coach first, I've kind of had to learn to be an internet marketer. I think a lot of people in this space start out as internet marketers, and then they come on and spread this knowledge. That was not the case with me. So I have made some internet marketing mistakes, which I'm okay with. It's taught me how to evolve and grow in my business. And I am rebranding, which is a ton of fun. I was trying to get my new website up and launched by the time that I hit 1 million subscribers, but you guys were moving way faster than me. So it looks like the website might be a week or so behind, but I'm going to leave a link in the description to the new website once it's launched. And I hope you guys will come visit, because my last website, and I got a ton of feedback and emails on this as well, very politely stating that, you know, it was not a seamless experience and it was not easy to navigate. So I'm fixing all of that. And hopefully it'll be out really soon after this video. So that said, I also want to level up this business in other ways. My gut is telling me, because there are so many new internet marketers on the scene, there's a lot of information that's being, for lack of a better word, regurgitated. It's the same thing over and over. And I feel like a lot of my followers, they know this stuff. They're ready to go to the next level. And I am too. I don't claim to know everything. I want to know more. I'm very curious. I have a lot of questions, and I know there are a lot of people out there with a lot of information. So I'm thinking, and this is not set in stone, but I'm really considering doing some interviews. And I've never done an interview before. It would be a total learning process for me. I'm sure I'd make mistakes with that too, but I'm willing to make some mistakes because I know that's how we grow. So that's something that I'm thinking about doing. If you have a comment about that and what you think about it, you can leave it in the comment section of this video. But I think if I was able to ask a lot of these questions that I have, gain that knowledge, and spread it with you guys, we could all level up together and take this journey at the same time. It'd be a lot of fun. So, new website, new ideas, 1 million subscribers, lots of good things happening, best followers in the world. Thank you so very much. And I am so super grateful. One more time, I just have to say it again. I'm so happy and so thankful for all of you guys. And hopefully I'll see you soon, and possibly doing an interview. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, happy manifesting. Bye.